That is.
It smells not good. It doesn't smell tropical here, guys. It smells like trash.
Oh, dude, this smells gross.
It smells like trash. What the... Well, let me push you.
Okay, wait, I'm not on mic, dude.
Let me take a cool picture of you. There's no lighting, good lighting right now.
Let me sit down good on it. Dude, you're the worst. Stop!
Hashtag do it for the vlog. Shit. Oh.
Holy fuck, it's so shaky. Ah!
It's a little weak, but it won't break.
Yeah, I don't think, well, maybe.
Look at what this is supported by. One long 2x4 and some nails. Look at that. Sketch. Right. Lanky.
Oh!
Oh! I caught my hat.
Just pulled off the side of this road to find a small, tiny skate park.
Look how crusty it is.
Yeah. I park on the grass because, like, because what am I?
A beast.
Sandling it, dropping in this huge half pipe. But what's up? You say hi. Dude, you got some like. Oh yeah, pound it. Wanna try it? Ah, dude, no. I think you got it. Can you? You? Yeah.
Je suis une femme. Huh? Je suis une femme. We took a random left, and now we're like climbing some crazy hill. Look at these trees, it's like Madagascar. You have to go fast, go first. Oh no! Alright guys, look, we're on the hill right now. This is the part that Jibrell has been struggling with, but he got it. He's got it right now. Remember what Daddy taught you.
Oh, oh, dude, that was so scary.
Look at the hill we're on. Alright, we're on the crazy hill. Alright, try it. Friction zone, baby. Friction zone, baby. Friction zone, baby. Turn left a little bit. Get into the harder track. Yeah. Now just drive fast. Just go. No.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get over this thing. Park it over there. You know how they're.
All right. Go for it. Can I give this a try though? I want to try it. To get straight. Wait, no. Can I try it? I just want to try it.
Dude, that thing is just too much to even be going over.
Well, that's why you go traverse. Let me try.
Alright, apparently I was f***ing half sending.
Oh, cabin feels working.
I'm over here trying to check if there's any new damages on the car, because I had to huck that so hard. There were some farmers down there that were hyping us up. They were like, hey! I think they were probably tripping out that we actually made it.
I know.
But we got to some crazy ass views.
Yeah, this is the top.
We just came through, saw this, thought it was pretty cool, but that scared the fuck out of me. Oh, look at you.
Nice.
Oh, what a good boy.
You just want to be friends with us.
Okay, there's a bunch of people buying baguettes. Apparently that's a popular thing here, considering the fact that France took over the Polynesian islands. I think that's my guess, because it's French Polynesia, right? So, Polynesian islands. I don't know what I'm doing. Huh? Yeah. Oh, you got some baguettes? Whoa, that's a lot of baguettes.
Ah, vous êtes pas d'ici?
What?
Yeah, no speak English.
The thing is, everyone speaks French. Merci.
Everyone here speaks not English. Found our next destination.
Whoa,
Lake. There's a lake. Look, guys, this is where we are. Bam. And then we're going here also with the car.
There's multiple cool things I could say about Tahiti right now. Are you gonna sneeze?
I'm trying to.
Damn, that's the worst.
I know.
1/8 of an orgasm. Sneezes are 1/8 of an orgasm. And
I didn't get mine.
And in a video that we will make, we are gonna try to sneeze 8 times in a row to complete maximum output of an orgasm. So stay tuned for that. Probably happening whenever we feel like making that video. But besides that, Tahiti is so green.
Hey.
I like these trees.
Look at teenagers.
Whoa, dude, there's locals. Mission accomplished. This is pretty crazy.
Oh,
fucking Tahiti, man. Beautiful. Feeling right now, dude. I feel totally blessed.
because I'm 22 and I've been around the world, and now we're in Tahiti, and that's like not where we're stopping.
It doesn't stop here.
Like, this is just some side action. Woo! Alright guys, we're gonna eat at some random place we saw. We don't want poison.
There's way too many options on here, so I'm just gonna, this is my finger, I'm just gonna close my eyes right now.
Close your eyes? Yeah, go.
I'm getting that one.
The curry Chevy?
Yeah.
Chevrolet curry.
Oh, didn't we look at that? Let's see what I'm getting.
Good.
yeah.
Goat curry. Nice.
Alright, I'm getting some goat. Sorry. Little English.
Me too.
Oh, okay, cool. Can I do
There's a shirt with that on.
I don't know, I don't see any.
Wow. Whoa.
Merci. It's basically goat and noodle, it looks like. So good.
Alright.
I'm so stuffed.
I'm super stuffed.
As well. Okay, that, my friend, was cringy. Alright, we just... Hashtag down for the vlog.